Chilies, ham, butties. I'm sure there should be something else here. Would you look at that? Linda, look at this pork pie. It's quartered. It's only a birthday bash, love. He hasn't won the bloody Nobel Peace Prize. Bloody quarters.
Hey, Warren, your karaoke's buggers, you know.
No, son, it'll probably be your ludicrous singing voice.
Oh, no, it's only got one song. Stand by your man.
Linda, get Les Mallet on the phone and get him over here now. He's only gone and sold me a turkey.
You won't get Les now. It's tagged. He's not allowed out after 6.
Tagged? What's he been tagged for?
Handling stolen goods. Electrical equipment, mainly.
It's a good song, though, you know, innit? It's a classic. People love it.
Yeah, but not all night.
Watch your lip, lad, otherwise I'll have to take the cane to you.